This is an unboxing of Samsung's A15 5G. It's their slot case that I purchased at Samsung.com. Here we go. We have the case right here. And unfortunately, the light doesn't do this lime color justice. If we were to go and look on the website for this case, we have the lime color, and this is the one that I purchased. And we also have the black color for the phone. I kind of purchased the lime color because, hey, I thought it was pretty fun. So if we look at this, the main feature of this case is that you're able to use the case as a wallet. So you could probably put your license in there as well as maybe a credit card. Their big kind of thing of this is that they want to use this for tap to pay, which is kind of weird because in the US, we have the NFC system built into our phone, and this does have Google Pay as well as, I believe, Samsung Pay built into it. Could be wrong, but you can just do your tap to go. So maybe if your card doesn't support it, you're able to use this instead. But on that note, let's move back to unboxing the case itself. So here we go. We have this here. And I'm just going to open up the packaging. It's a cardboard box. Not too sure if you guys have seen these from Samsung, but pretty much the same thing that I've gotten any accessory that I've purchased. And you get a little doodad here that I guess shows you how to put the case in. But I think it's self-explanatory. So you put your phone right in here. It's a silicone case. And this is what's going to help you protect this phone from getting scratches on the side because the phone is made of plastic. Here's a little slot. You can throw a credit card in there, license. I probably wouldn't do that. I just, bought this case because I did have some points through Samsung. So it ended up to be free, and I definitely needed some protection for this phone. I'd like you guys to stay tuned because there's going to be another video that I'm putting out on this phone about my thoughts and impressions of the A15 5G. Now, there are actually two variants of this phone. There's a world variant as well as the US variant, and the US variant's what we've gotten, and I'm just going to be talking about my gripes and concerns with that phone. So stay tuned for that phone video to premiere soon, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Consumer Compute.